Breast cancer research is happening all over the world to come up with life-saving treatments. At Lexington Oncology, there's a study that's showing promising results for patients. On the 19th of every month, we introduce you to a breast cancer survivor. Today, you get to meet Melissa Tyler and her clinical research coordinator, Kate Madden.
My name is Melissa Tyler, and I am 49 years old.
It's been almost 3 years since Melissa was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. In September of 2017, her life changed.
I discovered the lump when I was in the shower.
Melissa says she never missed her mammogram appointments. So when she found a lump less than 3 months after her mammogram, she knew it wasn't something that she could ignore. The mom of 2 went through chemo, radiation, and a double mastectomy.
By faith, God, family, friends, and Lexington Oncology, I got through it all.
She didn't go through it alone, and she set her sights on making sure that her struggles were not in vain. Her physical trials would make her the perfect patient for a clinical trial that could potentially save other breast cancer patients.
My name is Kate Madden, and I'm a clinical research coordinator at Lexington Oncology. And I met Melissa about 1 year into her journey. She was cancer-free, and we were kind of looking at what do we do next? How can we keep her that way? We had a trial open that was looking at a new targeted therapy. So it wasn't chemotherapy. It was just more of a targeted therapy that was approved for her type of cancer that had already spread.
The medication used in the trial was already approved for patients who were diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer. The research trial allowed it to be studied on patients like Melissa, who were either stage 2 or 3. 3 years later, researchers are still gathering data, but it appears to be successful so far.
She also ended up enrolling on the second trial, which was pretty remarkable. We have some patients that are willing to do that, and she's always been ready to do anything. And this trial is actually looking at using aspirin as a preventative for patients that have had breast cancer. So she'll be followed for 10 years. All of our patients that are on the study, and it's an international study, actually. There's patients from Europe and Spain and Australia also participating. There are about almost 6,000 women all over the world who took part in this trial.
I've told Kate from the beginning, anything and everything that I can do to help prevent this or help people get through this, I want to do it.
The drug used in the trial is called Ibrance, and it's opened a new world for study participants.
It's given us an option to treat patients that might have before had to go straight back to chemotherapy, but now they don't have to. Now they can have this targeted therapy, which is not toxic like chemotherapy. And everything that she did will help this group learn about breast cancer for years to come.
Doctors say early detection is the key to surviving breast cancer. Make sure you talk to your healthcare provider about scheduling your mammogram and your family history.